So today we're going to look at a really interesting plugin. Today is the 23rd, and this plugin doesn't come out to the 29th. I've had this plugin for quite some time, but I love it. It is different. We're going to look at GreenHAAS. So if we start from the left, you have your heat, you have your sundial, low cut, high cut, you have infrared, ultraviolet, gamma. And then on the right, you have Timmer L, you have your dry wet, Timmer R, you have your fertilizer. Then at the bottom, you have your daisy, rose, lily, tulip, sunny, and violet. Really interesting so far, right? We have this dry and wet option here. And this plugin isn't meant to go on a bus. It's actually meant to go on the actual source track. So most of the time, you are going to spend a lot of time here blending both signals, but that is the way the plugin is designed. It doesn't mean you can't put it on a bus track. So everything you heard, it's being processed through this plugin, through my settings, my presets. Now I took some time out and I created some presets. So we have cut, DJ plane effect, destroy, room, and sync. And I want to make sure I have access to them on the control surface, which I do. The second track is a duplicated track. And I don't know why I muted that. There you go. I'm going to unsolo the other track, so we just hear this one. That's my destroy preset. And these are the settings that I'm currently using. So I have heat all the way up. I got the sundial all the way up. Now check this out. How cool is this? That's pretty neat. I didn't do anything to the high cutter, and I'm currently selecting the gamma option here. Now this section is currently disabled. So yeah, I think that's pretty neat. So let's move on. Now we're going to select this track here. And this is my preset, room. And here's what I did. I messed with the low cut, high cutter, heat all the way up, sundial all the way up as well, gamma, and then to the right side, the dry wet, I basically have it at 100%, all the way to the left, right, and I disabled these options here. So all together. So now let's listen to this one here. So what I did here, as you can see the heat, somewhat 50%, sundown all the way, low cutter, high cutter, gamma. Then to the right of the plugin, Timmer L. I'm a little over 50%. I know there's no numbers here, but I'm assuming in the center it's 50% without. Now, if this is an effect that I like to use, think of it when you're watching a movie and there's a scene, people are in the club, and the next scene, they're still in the club, but they're in the restroom and you can hear the music in the background. So that's what I was going for. It's not perfect, but we can adjust things. What a wonderful plugin. Definitely something you should check out. I want you to give this video a thumbs up. It'll definitely help the channel. Also subscribe. That'll definitely help as well. And again, I want to thank you for watching my video. This is Ray, and I'm out of here. Later, guys.